Your home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, and keeping up with regular maintenance can help protect that investment, prevent costly repairs, and even maintain your home's value over time. Today, I'm sharing a few simple home maintenance tips that every homeowner should know. First, remember to change your HVAC filters regularly. A clean filter helps your heating and cooling system run more efficiently, improves indoor air quality, and can even help lower your energy bills. Most filters should be changed every 1 to 3 months, depending on the type of filter and your household needs. Next, don't forget to clean your gutters. Leaves and debris can clog your gutters and cause water to overflow, which may lead to damage to your roof, siding, or even your foundation. Cleaning them at least twice a year can help prevent expensive problems down the road. Another important tip is to test your smoke detectors regularly. Make sure they're working and properly replace the batteries as needed. It's a quick task that can make a huge difference in keeping your family safe. You'll also want to inspect the caulking around your windows and doors. Over time, caulking can crack or wear out, allowing drafts and moisture to get inside your home. Replacing damaged caulking can improve energy efficiency and help prevent water damage. And finally, schedule annual maintenance for your heating and cooling system. Having a professional inspect and service your HVAC system each year can help extend its lifespan, improve efficiency, and catch small issues before they become major repairs. A little preventative maintenance today can save you a lot of money and headaches tomorrow. I'm Amy Hank with Keller Williams Pinnacle. If you have any questions about buying, selling, or maintaining your home, I'd be happy to help. Call or text me at 618-593-7358.